Hi guys, paper cutting craft with Goodman here.
Holiday season is around the corner. In this year occasion, we just launched a brand new product, Star Paper Cut Light Box. Today let's see how we're gonna create it. Hope you'll enjoy making this and give it to your loved ones. Here's all materials: A4 size white paper 160 to 250 GSM, double-sided sticky tape, foam stick as spacers, art knife, warm white LED light or any colors you like.
Link for purchase the template at the description box. After purchasing, upload the file on Cricut Design Space and let the cutting process begin.
Here's what you're gonna get after cutting process. To make the front part of star-shaped light box, fold the piece of papers along the cutting line, then glue them into the star piece. Do the same with the back part. Put 2 parts into each other to finish the star frame. Now glue the spacers into edges inside the front, then put the first layer on top of it. Note: do not glue the spacers too close. We have to leave some space to put the back part later. Repeat this process until all the layers are glued together. Make sure the layers are properly lined up. Glue the LED light into the back part, then assemble with the front. Finally, this is a finished box. What do you think about this? Please leave your comment at the comment section below and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.